Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the 2024 Cupra Leon Sportstourer, a wagon that's aiming to spice up your daily drive. Cupra, if you're not familiar, is the Spanish performance brand, and they're bringing some serious heat to the table. Let's kick things off with what's under the hood. You've got two exciting options here. First up is the VZ plug-in hybrid. It combines a 1.4-liter turbo engine with an electric motor, giving you a total of 241 horsepower. You'll get about 37 miles of electric-only range, perfect for those short commutes. But if you're after something with a bit more oomph, the VZX is where it's at. This bad boy borrows the Golf R's 2-liter turbo engine, pumping out 306 horsepower. It'll rocket you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Not too shabby for a family wagon, right? Now let's talk about how it drives. We had the chance to put it through its paces, and let me tell you, it's a blast. The handling is on point, even in the hybrid version. It feels nimble and composed in the corners, like a hot hatch with extra cargo space. The VZX takes things up another notch. It's basically a Golf R in wagon form. However, it's worth noting that the ride can be a bit firm, especially if you go for the larger wheels. And at highway speeds, you might notice some road noise creeping in. Step inside, and you're greeted by a modern, sporty interior. The seats are supportive and look great, especially with the optional carbon fiber backrests. There's a 12-inch touchscreen dominating the center console, but fair warning, those touch-sensitive controls can be a bit fiddly when you're on the move. But hey, this is a wagon, so let's talk practicality. You've got good space in the back seats, and the cargo area is generous. The VZX gives you 620 liters of space, while the hybrid sacrifices a bit for its batteries, offering 470 liters. So, what's the verdict? The Cupra Leon Sportstourer is bringing some much-needed excitement to the wagon game. It's stylish, fun to drive, and practical enough for family duties. Sure, it might not be the last word in comfort, but if you're after a daily driver with a sporty edge, it's definitely worth a look. We don't have official pricing yet, but expect it to undercut premium rivals while offering similar thrills. That's it for our review of the Cupra Leon Sportstourer. If you're in the market for a fun family hauler, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.